What's popping, chat? We've got another energy drink review today. Today we have the Dragon Maverick Blizzard, enriched with BCAAs. Got about 8 calories in it, 150 milligrams of caffeine. It allegedly says there's 0 kilojoules, but then over there it says there's 10, which is just peachy. I guess they're just lying to us. And the flavor is peach punch, mildly intended. Let's give it a try. Decent pop. There's a very strong peach smell. Let's see if it tastes any different. Yes. That is very nice. As for an exact flavor, kind of hard to say. It does taste quite a lot like peach. The best way I can describe it is it tastes like peach juice, which is pretty W for me. Overall, I'd give it a 9.3 out of 10. Stay hydrated, chat.